everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how I updated my tail lights using a red vinyl overlay. First is to spray some alcohol mixture on a clean microfiber cloth. Wipe the tail light and make it as clean as you can, as you don't want any debris trapped under the vinyl overlay. Get a dry microfiber towel and wipe dry the tail light, especially the area where you will be placing the overlay. Grab a spray bottle with water and soap mixture and give it a little shake. Here's the vinyl that I used for the tail lights. Carefully remove the vinyl from the backing, and using the soapy water, spray some on the adhesive side of the vinyl. You can also spray it directly onto the taillights if this is easier for you. This helps with moving around the vinyl for proper vinyl placement. Lay the vinyl on top of the taillight and adjust the vinyl if needed. Although not shown here, you can also use a squeegee to remove any excess water, or a credit card, and completely seal the vinyl. You can see the original taillight on your left and the taillight with the new red vinyl on your right. This is a quick and easy mod, and I hope that you enjoyed watching it. See you soon!